Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel Health You, the place where my mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. And this is everything you should know about series. In this series of videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you the basics behind different exercise format. So this makes easier for you to choose the right format for yourself depending on your own body needs or else your own body or else fitness goals. I'm not here to tell you the protocols, but I'm going to tell you the philosophy, the principles behind different exercise formats, what they offer you, what all health benefits they offer you, so that you can make right choices. As well as that, you will also be educated enough and would be motivated enough and would look forward for some amazing health benefits that you can achieve by doing different exercise formats for your body. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about Pilates. Yes, everything that you should know about Pilates exercise format. Definitely, I'm not a Pilates expert, but as a physiotherapist, I'm going to tell you the scientific things that you should know about Pilates exercise format. So want to know about that? Make sure to watch this video till the end. So let's begin. So basically, Pilates method was developed or is conceived by Joseph H. Pilates. Joseph started developing the system of Pilates for his own body conditioning. He developed this program during First World War and then gradually kept on working that till he died in the year 1967. From that onwards, there are many other people who have also done a lot of research into this, and Pilates is also considered one of the most holistic way of exercise that focuses a lot on the core strength or is the holistic health of the body. Do you know Pilates program for body conditioning actually involves over 500 stretches and strengthening exercises, which are divided in two broad categories. One is the mat Pilates and second is the reformer or else apparatus based Pilates. The Pilates format of exercise has got its name from the founder itself, Joseph H. Pilates, and it is also called as an art of controlology. This name inherits its belief, which is the focus on body control and focus on the quality of movement over the quantity of movement. It's very rightly said that it's not important on how many movements has been done, but what's important is how a movement has been done. This belief of art of controlology says that the human body should always focus, or as a human being should always set a goal to attain a strong mind and use it to gain total mastery or control over his or her physical body. Now, there are certain key principles of Pilates method, and these principles forms the foundation of Pilates. And based on these principles only, different formats, different patterns of exercises or its protocols are designed. So what are these core principles of Pilates? Let's have a look. So the first principle of Pilates is centering. Centering means center or the core of our body, and it is also called as the powerhouse of our body. The core muscles of our body, which are the abdominal muscles, your spinal muscles, your pelvic muscles, as well as your hip and thigh muscles. This entire muscles are the support system of the body, and Pilates principle focuses on not only developing control but also strength and flexibility in these group of muscles in order to achieve a quite balanced body. The second principle is focused concentration, which means any movement that has to be done in Pilates should be done with optimal focus and concentration on the right muscles that needs to be worked on or that needs to be activated. The third principle is about control. Control refers to the fact that when the work of an exercise is being done, the focus should be always in the center. At the same time, this focus will later on help you to bring control over other group of muscles. So the focus should be in control as well as center. If you are able to bring this balance, it's a very good blend of doing a right movement pattern. The fourth principle is precision, which always stands for quality over quantity. It's very important to do less movement but good movement. It's very important to do one right movement over 4 wrong movements. The fifth component is breath. breath has got a very important role when it comes to Pilates. Breathing is important because it not only brings coordination in the body and movement, it also brings rhythm to the movement. It also improves your circulation. It also brings more oxygen in your body as well as your blood, and also at the end supplies this oxygen to entire system or else the entire body of yours. And the sixth principle is flow. So flow basically refers to graceful and flowing succession of one exercise to another, which should always be a part of a Pilates session. So these are the core principles based on which all exercises or all movements of Pilates has been designed. As I mentioned that there are two types of Pilates format. One is mat based Pilates and another one is and reformer or else apparatus based Pilates. But apart from that, Pilates is also used in rehabilitation setup. There are a lot of rehabilitation benefits that has been seen with the help of Pilates. Pilates has been widely used not only in the back pain management but also in post-pregnancy and pre-pregnancy care, as well as in the post-pregnancy care, where the focus is to regain the core strength, the core stability, as well as this has also been helpful for women who have got some pathology post-pregnancy like diastasis recti. But many people gets confused between Pilates and yoga. Many people think that Pilates and yoga are almost the same with two different names, but that not is the case. Even though the movements look similar, even though the movements are done on mat, but there are certain differences between yoga and Pilates. Yoga, where focus is more on mindfulness as well as reducing the stress, and concentration is more over an holistic healing or as a holistic health approach, Pilates is more heavy or is more focused towards movement and exercise part. For a beginner, it's very easy to get confused between yoga movements or else Pilates movement. But Pilates stands more for focused exercises, focused muscle and coordination movement. Yoga rarely uses any equipment, but in Pilates there is a use of equipment. Yoga is more towards developing flexibility and balance, whereas Pilates is more towards developing stability, strength and coordination. So that's what makes yoga and Pilates different. Now, what are the benefits of doing Pilates exercise? Now, there are tremendous benefits of doing Pilates. As it is in other exercise format, exercises are always good for our body, and so does Pilates. So here are some health benefits that you can achieve with the help of Pilates exercises. So the first benefit is it strengthens your core muscles, the most important benefit. The second benefit is it improves your posture. It also adds the mindfulness factor that is missing in other Western workout formats like gym workout, hit intensity training, hit workouts, etc. The movements are more precise and are more focused over the quality and the results that one person needs to achieve after the movement. The movements are more focused towards individual muscles or else individual muscle groups, which makes isolation or else group focused exercise program more effective, or else which makes an localized exercise program more effective. It improves your muscle endurance, it improves your muscle strength, it improves your cardiorespiratory fitness, it improves your mood, it improves your motivational state, it brings coordination, it brings body awareness, it is a more aesthetically pleasant moving form, and thus also improves your body language whenever you are in your day-to-day activity or is in your day-to-day life. It develops more body awareness for yourself and it improves your balance as well as stability. So these are certain benefits that one can achieve following Pilates exercise program. So now, for whom is Pilates and for whom it is not a right exercise program? So Pilates basically is, as I mentioned, is more focused towards strength and stability. Hence, if you are looking to lose your weight, Pilates exercise program is not for you. Pilates is a modifiable exercise format. Even if you are having unstable BP, if you are having herniated disc, if you are having some neurological disorder, if you are having severe osteoporosis and you are having risk of blood clots, then also it's important that you need a medical consent before starting Pilates exercise program. But apart from that, it's a highly modifiable exercise program. Hence, if you are a beginner or else you are a pro or else an athlete, you can indulge into Pilates exercise program. Pilates exercise program is also a good workout format for any age group, as you can define or else design your exercises depending on your body type, your body strength, or else your fitness level, and based on that the exercises can be modified. Now, which one is better, either apparatus one or else mat one? This is also dependent on what are your goals. Basically, the reformer based Pilates is something that allows guidance and assistance to the movement, hence it enables you to do movement in much more correct way, correct format, and in right direction and at right intensity. In mat, it could be little difficult to sustain or else achieve the right movement pattern, or else you need more experience, or else some sort of experienced therapist or instructor who can guide you to do those exercises in the right way. Mat exercises are very inexpensive format of exercise, as you can do it at your home or else anywhere. All you need is just an exercise mat. So in those terms, mat based Pilates is much more effective and efficient, but there are few benefits of reformer based Pilates, which is the right quality of movement. The quality of movement or is the quality of muscle work that you can get from a reformer or else an apparatus based Pilates is of different level, and it's very effective. So in those terms, it's very good to go for a reformer based Pilates exercise format. Now let's look at for whom or else for what kind of health condition or else what kind of rehabilitation Pilates would be helpful. Pilates is a very good exercise format for people who are rehabilitating themselves from chronic low back pain as well as neck pain. If you have got knee replacement or hip replacement surgery, then also it's a good format of rehabilitation process, but all you need is a right rehabilitation specialist who is well versed with Pilates science. Apart from that, if you have got multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia or scoliosis, then also Pilates is a good format of exercise that can help you to rehabilitate yourself and achieve the maximum functional level that you desire. Hence, overall, Pilates is a very good form of exercise program that you can opt for if you are looking for an overall holistic body improvement in terms of strength, flexibility as well as stability. Even if you are suffering from some sort of health condition which is more related to your muscles, joint, then also Pilates is a safe format of exercise. Especially if you are a woman who is going through post-pregnancy stage and you want to rehabilitate yourself in achieving good core strength, then Pilates is definitely an exercise program that you should opt for. Pilates can be done at studios as well as at home. All you need is a right instructor and good instructor who understands your body, who assess your body well, and design an exercise program that is completely suitable and customized based on your body needs. So that was all information that you should know about Pilates, especially before you begin doing Pilates. I hope you found this video informative. If yes, make sure to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.